Oh, you got the time? Yeah, it's about 20 to 4, mate. Quick demo there of how to look at the time on Android Wear. So today we're going to be talking about Android Wear and the Moto 360. So first up is Android Wear, and there's three main parts that you need to be aware of. There's the voice control, there's the card notification, and there's a clock part. So let's do it. So one of the ways you interact with Android Wear is through your voice. So you can say, OK Google, or tap the screen, and you get that menu come up, and you just swipe upwards to get through to your main menu. From there you can tap at any of those apps, or you can again use your voice and launch anything and swipe to the right Google to go back. Nice and simple.
Hello.
So now we're going to talk about notifications. Now they show up as cards on Android at the bottom of the screen, as you can see. You can swipe up to expand on them, and swipe to the side will open it on your phone. If you swipe in the other direction, it will dismiss the notification. So pretty straightforward. A card pops up at the bottom, you swipe up to get more info, and then you can swipe left or right depending whether you want to dismiss it or whether you want more information on it, open on your phone, open an app, or anything else. On to my favourite feature of the Moto 360, the watch. Now, press and hold on a watch face to change it to a different one. Swipe left to right to select what you want. Pretty straightforward. One thing you can do out of the box, it only comes with a certain amount, is download an app called Facer. And what Facer lets you do is install custom watch faces. So you change the watch face to Facer, as you just saw. Open the app on your phone, choose whichever one you want, click the icon on the top right, select yes. That will synchronize and send the watch face over to your Android Wear device. So, changeable watch face, you don't have to change your watch on what you wear, you just change your watch face. Pretty cool feature. Okay guys, I'm going to go into the actual hardware itself of the Moto 360 here. One key thing to bear in mind is there isn't many places you can get a Moto 360 at. It is just O2, Amazon, Tesco and John Lewis. Now that means for us at Mary Hill Centre, we are the only place to sell it, and it is a very hotly anticipated device, so let's get into it. So let's look at this. The Moto 360 is a round smartwatch, the first of its kind, and it has on the back an optical heart rate monitor, so you can get your heart rate taken for you without putting your finger on the back of the phone. It's Halloween leather strap that comes as standard. There will be a metal option later on throughout the year if there's any luck. The watch itself is stainless steel and it's protected by our favourite Corning Gorilla Glass. So all in all, very premium product, very premium construction, nice all around. Start the Moto 360, drop it in its QI wireless charging dock. It'll go into bedside table mode, and when you're finished, simply remove it and away you go. Easy. The question on everyone's lips, what's the battery life like? Well, actually pretty good, depending on your settings. So to increase your battery life, turn the screen brightness down, turn ambient mode off. Ambient mode will just display a dimmed watch face if you leave it on. You can expect anything from easily 1 day to 2 days depending on battery settings. So the Moto 360 can be pretty good, just depends on the user. So there you have it, the Moto 360 and Android Wear. Hopefully you found the video useful and informative. Let me know if there's anything you want me to change going forward. Of course, this is the first ever one I've done. And what I need you to do in the meantime for me is take the quiz in the link. And if you would prefer, there are also a couple of links to some old-fashioned documents with just some written information if that's more your learning style. But let me know if there's anything you want to know more from me, and I'll see you around.